What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Hey, look what I bought. I bought a first alert carbon monoxide detector and alarm. It's battery operated, 9-volt battery included. The nice thing about this plastic too is it looks like it's one of these easy open ones. I don't know if it's fused all the way around. No, you tricked me, you son of a... I cannot just pry it open. Ugh, it looks like it is, but I'm gonna actually have to use a blade on this bad boy. So let me do that and come back to you. So got it open here. I bought this one on Amazon. It got some high ratings. I think it was actually even Amazon recommended. And you know, I just needed a cheap carbon monoxide detector. In my state, you actually have to have these within a certain distance of sleeping areas, and I already do. But I also like putting some of these in some other kind of critical areas near the furnace or some kind of closed hallways, just to have a little bit of extra security. You can never be too certain. Unless you have, I don't know, Smith & Wesson. So this is a very small alarm, as you can see here, and it's just meant to be battery operated, right? In fact, a lot of these you can actually plug into the wall, a wall outlet, and they will be powered off that, and the battery is kind of a backup. It does have a test button on the front here. If it goes off, it's just going to beep very, very loudly. And, on some, they will have like a little LCD showing, the CO2 or the CO level, but this doesn't have any of that. It's just very, very, very simple. Do not paint. And so let's just go ahead, open up the back here. It does come with an ever-ready battery, 9 volts. And looks like it's going to go this way. So I'm just going to push that in, close it up. It does come with some screws and drywall fasteners, so you can put the screws into the wall and slide them on just like that. The battery in, you actually now turn it on with this test silence button. So you hold it down for 4 seconds like that until you hear the chirp. And then you get that additional chirp. This thing is armed and ready to rock. So the instruction says that you'll get an initial chirp, and then a 4 chirp, and then another 4 chirp confirmation, and the thing is good to go. So just like that, we are ready to protect the house. And you can put this really anywhere. Like I said, I'm going to use it in a smaller hallway and just for a little added safety, but really inexpensive. This would be great for if you live in a van or a tiny house or a cabin, because you don't need outlet power. Just runs on a battery. Pretty cool. Put a link to the description. Peter from Panda out.